You thought AI song creation was cool before? Wait until you see what Suno V5 can do. This update takes AI music to the next level, making full radio-ready tracks in minutes. Today, I'll show you how to use Suno AI to create professional quality songs, fast, creative, and even Spotify ready. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to unlock the full power of Suno V5 for your own music. Hi, I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and today I want you to come into the network with me to explore all Suno V5 has to offer. You're about to hear exactly why this hits. You're about to hear exactly why this Suno V5 update matters. First, we'll take the same lyrics and run them through 5 different genres. Then I'll play you 5 new songs built with 5 unique style prompts. Listen for the jump in clarity, the tighter low end, and how the vocals stay present across wildly different mixes. Think of this as a stress test for V5. Same words, totally different worlds. If the model's really improved, the hook should carry no matter the style. Version 1, melodic trap ballad.
I'm the fire that can't control, burning deeper in my soul. Through the chaos, through the pain, I'll rise again, again, again. I've been chasing something real. Every wound begins to heal. Hear the silence start to sing. Lift me up on silver wings, drifting on this endless stream, caught between the cold and dream. All these ghosts I used to know fade away, just let them go.
Emotional vocal up front, deep 808s, airy guitars. Notice the intimacy and the space around the lead. Now, modern pop ballad.
I'm the fire they can't control, burning deeper in my soul. Through the chaos, through the pain, I'll rise again, again, again. I've been chasing something real. Every wound begins to heal. Hear the silence start to sing. Lift me up on silver wings, drifting on this endless stream, caught between the cold and dream. All these ghosts I used to know fade away, just let them go.
Acoustic and piano take the weight. The chorus pops brighter and the mids feel warmer. Flip it into indie rock.
I'm the fire they can't control, burning deeper in my soul. Through the chaos, through the pain, I'll rise again, again, again. I've been chasing something real. Every wound begins to heal. Hear the silence start to sing. Lift me up on silver wings. Drifting on this endless stream, caught between the cold and dream. All these ghosts I used to know fade away, just let them go.
Guitars add grit, live drums bring momentum, and the hook hits like a chant. Then, cinematic orchestral.
I'm the fire they can't control, burning deeper in my soul. Through the chaos, through the pain, I'll rise again, again, again. I've been chasing something real. Everyone begins to heal. Hear the silence start to sing. Lift me up on silver wings, drifting on this endless stream, caught between the cold and dream. All these ghosts I used to know fade away.
and brass widen the harmony. Same chorus, now it sounds like a trailer moment. And finally, festival EDM.
I'm the fire they can't control. Burning deeper in my soul. Through the chaos, through the pain, I rise again, I've been chasing something real. Every wound begins to heal. Hear the silence start to sing. Lift me up on silver wings. Drifting on this endless dream. Caught between the cold and dream. All these ghosts I used to know fade away. Just let them go.
Build, lift, drop. The vocal phrases become the payload for the dance floor. Same lyrics, 5 aesthetics. That's V5's genre translation in action. Cleaner separation, stronger structure, and a hook that survives the makeover. Okay, now let's switch variables. New lyrics, new energy. Here are 5 fresh songs, each with a distinct style prompt, so you can hear how V5 handles emotion, pacing, and mix choices when everything changes. First up, hip-hop trap. Moody, melodic rap, ambient synths, deep 808s, late night reflections, and the vocals sit perfectly in the pocket.
City lights in the rear view, fading slow. Empty bottles in the past, I can't let go. Voices calling that remind me what I've done. Still searching for myself, but I can't outrun. I've been lost in the silence. Shadows follow wherever I go. Try to drown out the violence, but the pain always plays like a show. Echoes in the night, they haunt me. Every memory won't let me breathe. Fighting with the dark that's all. Only way out is what I believe. Diamonds shine, but the nights feel colder. Every crown feels heavy on my shoulder. I hear whispers in the crowd, ain't know my name, but the spotlight burns.
Then, modern pop ballad. Acoustic, piano, and the chorus you can memorize in one pass. It breathes, but it feels big.
We carved the names in the sidewalk stone. Laughed at the future we thought we'd own. Coffee stains on a midnight page. Every word still feels the same. I kept the letters you used to write. Folded corners and fading lines. Time can tear at the seams we made, but I can't throw the past away. Paper hearts don't last forever, but I still hold the pieces close. Fragile love we built together turns to ashes, but I know every tear, every star still beats inside these paper hearts.
Alternative rock. Driving guitars, pushing drums, that high festival energy. This one wants the crowd to sing it back.
Every wound is a warning sign. Every loss comes a stronger line. I can feel it in my veins, like a storm that won't give way. No more silence, no disguise. There's a fire burning bright. Fire within is breaking chains, lighting up the dark.
alternative R&B, smooth beat, atmospheric pads, and late night vocals. Texture is the real star here.
Silver smoke on an empty street. Moonlight falls where our shadows meet. Whispers drift through the city haze. I lose myself in your gaze. Every heartbeat pulls me closer. Can't escape this way I feel. Velvet skies above take over. Every moment feels too real. Velvet skies, they fall on us, covering the night in fire and trust. Every touch it cuts like glass. Nothing it was made to last. Velvet skies, we're lost inside. Love and danger inside. Love and danger intertwined.
And progressive house, euphoric leads, cinematic builds, hands up chorus. It begs for a drop edit. Across both tests, V5 keeps the lead vocal clear, preserves the hook, and gives you mixed ready polish out of the box. If you've struggled with muddy mids or collapsing choruses in older versions, this upgrade helps the song hold together, no matter the lane. And if you're thinking beyond the demo, same lyrics, multi-genre is perfect for the synth pitches and A/B testing on socials. All right, now that you've heard it in action, let me rapid fire 5 of my secrets that turn these from great AI songs into radio-ready hits. Here's a little bonus section for today's video. These are my 5 secret tips for radio-ready songs in Suno V5. Number 1, write lyrics that perform, not just read. Don't drop just plain text. Add performance cues in natural language. Sung softly, like a whisper in the dark, or belted like a festival anthem. That guides Suno into delivering emotion instead of robotic vocals. Number 2, stack your style prompts. In the style genre field, layer 2 to 3 descriptors. Cinematic trap with soaring female vocals and festival drop energy. Stacking keeps your sound focused and avoids generic AI pop. Number 3, always regenerate the hook. Suno might nail the verses, but the chorus is what really makes a track stick. Regenerate until you get a hook that's catchy, repeatable, and could live on Spotify. Number 4, post-polish your vocals. Even the best Suno output needs a quick polish. Run your vocal stem through a light EQ, compressor, and reverb in something like Audacity or Resolve. This simple step levels up your track from demo to radio ready. Number 5, think use case, not just sound. Ask yourself, where will this song live? If it's a Spotify track, focus on mix and structure. If it's for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, emphasize the drop at 20 to 30 seconds. Tailoring for platform equals a higher chance of your song being shared. Remember, Suno can get you 80% of the way there, but these tips are what help push your AI song into true radio-ready territory. Bye now. I hope you're feeling inspired to go create some amazing tracks of your own. Suno V5 is opening doors that just a year ago felt impossible. If you're ready to dive in, I've dropped a link in the description where you can start your Suno journey today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I always appreciate every single one of you who chooses to watch, learn, and create alongside me. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure that you give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who you think might be interested in learning to create with generative AI tools. I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and as always, keep looking towards the future.